Path to a 10K Payout, episode 24. It finally happened. We'll go over the trade, but we'll pull this up real quick. This is the snippet. Payout requested. As you see, $647. That's just to put me back at $1,000 balance. So I have a little bit of a buffer still, instead of taking the full possible payout, which was 800 something. Kept it light, 647, and that is my payout from this trade. This was just a $150 win. It's not up here anymore because I'm recording this too late. Oop, I just moved that on accident. I'm recording it too late, so that's why it doesn't say 150 up here. But this was just a 150 win. That's not right. That belongs over here. 150 win, because it only hit TP1. TP2 was up here. Alright, going into the day, I was bullish. We had this large move up during agent session, inversing this 4-hour gap. On the 1 hour, we were also very bullish. So, going into market open, we're getting a strong reaction to the upside with these hourly highs up here. Well, actually, they weren't really hourly highs. One was an hourly high, and one was the wick that was down here that just so happened to perfectly give me almost a 1-to-1 with a $150 take profit when I took half of my contracts off. So it was quite perfect, actually. So like I said, big reaction to the upside, creating this 5-minute gap. Tapped into the 5-minute gap, and we kind of tapped into it here, creating this inverse fair value gap. If we would have inversed it here, I probably wouldn't have taken this, solely for the purpose, A, we didn't really tap into this 5-minute, and B, I learned from last trade that it is much safer to take a trade like this because we resweep this low, creating a swept low kind of resistance zone for our stop loss. So that's why, even if it did inverse here, I probably wouldn't have taken it. But we come down, sweep out this low again. This 1-minute fair value gap immediately doesn't matter anymore because we came up. We would have tapped into it or disrespected on this candle if we cared about it. We continued lower, swept out this low, strong reaction to the upside, breaking structure on the 1 minute. 5 minutes already bullish, 15 minutes already bullish, hours bullish, 4 hours bullish. We're ripping it. So we enter off the candle close. I think it technically gave us this fill, which was nice. Stop loss below this low. First take profit at this high that was up here. Second take profit up here. The reason I didn't go break even at this point was the sole purpose of having so much confidence that we were at least going to take out this high up here. If I wouldn't have, would have been break even. But stuck with my knowledge. End up coming down, tapping into these 1-minute fair value gaps. As soon as we retook out these highs, I did mitigate risk down to these lows, so I was only risking about $100. Hit TP1, obviously full break even after that, and stopped out. So it's pretty insane that 23. I already got rid of it. Fuck. 23 episodes ago, I think it's 31 days. I created the first episode of Path to a 10K Payout, and I said in that video, you guys would see my second ever payout, and you guys would continue on the journey until I got the 10K payout. Step 1 complete. Receive the second payout. So this is almost like a, what's the word I'm looking for? a a a proof of concept. This is a proof of concept account because I've solely been trading my strategy, and I've had 1, 2, 3, 4 from prior month, five winning. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winning days, one losing day, and 2 break evens. That is as far as we know so far off of 3 weeks of knowledge. This is a winning concept, and I've proved that concept through receiving a payout. So really, the only thing that could stop me at this point is me. It's always you. The only thing that can ever stop you is you, actually. Let's get real here for a second. Let's get real fucking real. The only thing that can ever stop you in life is you. The only thing that can stop me now is if I stop following the strategy, the concept that I have proven to be accurate, to work. The only way I fail is if I stop doing it altogether. So I just have to stick with my plan here, and the rest falls into place. So with that said, that was episode 24. See you guys tomorrow for episode 25, while we try to work towards our third payout.